The Honorable Governor gave us a patient hearing and he said that he would write to the Honorable Chief Minister about the memorandum that we submitted. दोन मुद्दे आशिल्ले. एक मुट्टें जे सेन्सस ही सर्वे जावपाक जाय इमिजिएट एंड सेकंड इज कम्युनल डिसहार्मनी की एक आमचे ST SC आनी OBC भावाचेर एक अन्याय जाता आनी ताबडतोब सरकारान जो अन्याय जाता जे रिप्रेजेंटेशन ते ऑर्गनायझेशनाक सरकाराक दिलां गव्हर्मेंटाचे वॉट दे हॅव गिवन हेजेर तेमी घेवन ते कांयच मुखार हेजें कांयच मुखार कोण दवरना. त्या वेळार आमकां अश्योर केलेलें एक डेलिगेशन घेवन ते वयतले दिल्ली वयतले बट दॅट लेटर केम इन द नेगेटीव. नाव जे ST SC and OBC जे community they have threatened that they would boycott the parliamentary elections. We demand that there is a census placed in 2012 that could also be used. It could be implemented. But this government is not serious. They are playing with the sentiments of the ST, SC, OBC people. We are all united. I have always been saying, let us not divide ourselves. I am not here to divide. I am not here to comment about any other political parties. We are all together as opposition. We fought. I request you all as well. Please do not divide us.